Hello everyone. This is 14th day of my PNL posting, and it's 11th of April. Okay, today was a Tuesday and a Finnifty expiry, and markets were absolute sideways today. Okay, it opened gap up, and then everything after gapping up and then moving a little up, it closed pretty sideways. Okay, but as I've already mentioned that I trade in all the three indexes every single day. So this is the Nifty's chart, and just because I trade in every single day on like in every index, Nifty had actually hurt me. Uh, like my PNL, it was hurt by my Nifty trades. So let me just as usual, it opened like gap up, and then let me take a middle line somewhere here. It went up somewhere close to 0.29%, then came down from midpoint 0.25. Again it went like zero point 0.2, and it closed like only 22 points higher than the midpoint. So the Nifty trade was actually good. Okay, like if it was a good decay day in Nifty, then I would have made a good sum of money today. But yep, fate is fate and the luck is luck. So I'll try my luck some other day. So this is Bank Nifty. The first candle was a fierce red. Okay, and then it came, then it went up, and then it remained. This range. I am very much willing to show you what is this range. This is the peak. Okay, and so in only 170 points. Okay, in only 170 points, Bank Nifty was moving for almost close to from like 11 o'clock till 15:30. Okay, and that is the same story in Finnifty as well. See, like everything was so sideways today. But I'm going to take a little longer today to explain what happened exactly to my trades. Okay, so let's come back to Bank Nifty. Okay, so I took some theta and delta trades as I've already mentioned in my previous videos. So the theta trades were supposed to give me profits. Okay, but because Bank Nifty had climbed somewhere close to 380 points and my call stop losses were not hit till the end, that complete trade did not give me even a single rupee. Rather, it took 40 points from my that particular trade. Okay, the delta strategy. Now coming to delta strategy, from the initial delta trades that I had taken, it actually gave me a very good money. Okay, and then all the other delta trades were sideways. Market was sideways, and it didn't give me much gain, because you don't want to capture theta in delta trades, right? You need to get some moves, and I am expecting that if the move is not there, then there would be a theta decay. But both were not happening today. Okay, the market was absolute sideways. I think there is some event coming up in US, so the market was absolute sideways, and the theta decay was also not there. Okay, but the good thing is that I have let me show you with the pen. Okay, so this was the small range that I was hovering from, from close to Feb. This was first Feb peak, and then this was the range in which I was hovering all this time, and then it finally broke out. Okay, this is the April and the end of March and then April. So currently I am on a 10 days win streak right now. Okay, so let's go back to viewing today's PNL, how it behaved. Okay, so let me fetch today's MTM chart, and I'll show you exactly where it worried me. Okay, so okay, if it's not coming, I'll have to fetch it from somewhere else. All right. So this is the final PNL chart that my system had generated. Now the zero line, you have to see that the zero line is somewhere here. Let me draw a straight line here. I think it's not free. So it's okay. This is the zero line. Okay. This is the zero line. And let me draw a random straight line here. Okay. Random some. Okay. Now my PNL, okay, from initial trades as it started to go up and there was not much theta decay in Bank Nifty and Nifty, but there was some theta decay in Fin Nifty. And here you can see a huge spike coming from like minus 4,000 or minus 4,500 to almost close to 1,500. So here actually Fin Nifty gave a very nice decay here in this candle. Okay, but obviously this was a spike in the PNL and then it came down. Okay, you remember that day, that one day my PNL went from 8,000, sorry, 10,000 to 12,000 and then came back again to 10,000. So this was the same story which happened today. Okay, now what happened is it went down below the water and then it stayed for close to, like, this was the 12:30 mark or something. Okay, so from 9:20 till 12:30 I had not seen a green tick except a small green here. Okay, this was 130 rupees or something. Now, so this is the first time it went down, and this is second, third, fourth, this is the fifth, sixth, seven, eight, okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So in a total for 24 times my PNL went from positive to negative. Now, just because I am a system trader, okay, I actually was watching. I started watching the markets from somewhere. I think here. I think at 13:30 I woke up and I started watching the markets from here. Okay, and I saw the green PNL. Okay, but and then I saw higher green here somewhere close to like 4,000 or something. Then again I saw a loss here. Okay, and then when it reached again 4,500 or 4,800, or sorry, it was around 4,000 rupees, I had a very huge temptation to book everything here. Okay, but just because of just because you have to stay disciplined. Okay, and just because you have to stay disciplined, so you don't have to book the profits. I mean, it was possible that from here the profits could have gone to like 10,000, either in plus or minus 10,000. Okay, so whatever it is, you have to stay with the trade till the end of day or the designed end time. Okay, so this was the final jerk that I had taken, like at 1450 or something. Okay, and then it went up and again it touched day high PNL, and then this was the final after the this is the averaging time. So there was some spike, I think, in the premiums of Nifty and Bank Nifty straddles here. So this was the PNL how it behaved. Okay, it was really worrying for me because so many times it had crossed zero in this phase. Okay, and if a person was taking this trade manually, no, he would have been tempted to book here, here, all these green points which are there, right? I mean, all these greens, even this, okay, this and this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 times you would have been tempted to book the profits. Okay. So this is the benefit of you being a system trader and not being a discretionary, because you can follow the discipline very nicely. Okay. Let's go back to the decay chart. Okay. So how it happened today. Okay. So Finnifty, as you know that today was expiry, so there's no need to explain this. Now this is Nifty. You see where is the pain area? Okay, where I got negative under the water, as I said. So this whole range was open and then 10 point down, 10 up, 10 down, 10 up, 10 down, and then Finally it broke down, and then there was some decay, but mind you, it's looking very big decay in this scale, but it's only 10 points here. Okay, so days like these are very hard to find where the market is sideways. Either the participants are expecting some news some other day, or they have to be expecting some news. Okay, so this is the bank nifty ATM straddle chart. Now it opened at 380. Okay, and I will not consider 380, rather 375, and it closed at 340. Now today is a Tuesday, and for one full day it gave a decay of only 35 points in bank nifty. So less amount of decay in this and less amount of decay in nifty was the main cause of my PNL not being much green today. Okay, so this is bank nifty, and let me show you fin nifty. What was the decay? So it opened at 80 rupees. That was uh, not very good, but okayish kind of premiums that we opened. Okay, so for the type of movement that we had in the market, so okay, fine. So there was a small spike in the PNL, as I had shown, right? So this was the decay portion where there was a spike, and till here there was no major change in PNL, but from here it started going green. My PNL started to at least go above the zero line. Okay, it tried to go above like so many times. Okay, so from here the main decay came after 12:30 or something. All right, so let me now go to the this thing, my PNL, how it ended. So my net PNL is 33,050 rupees, and my margins, as I've already shown you, it's close to 1841 rupee, sorry, 1841, but I consider it as um, 20 lakh because I have 2 lakh rupees of holdings as well. Okay, so it's 265 now. So that's all for the day, and uh, yes, I'm on a 10 days winning streak. So let me I mean, this win streak is always making everyone nervous. So let me hope for a small loss day and then again continue with this win streak. So till the next time, that is tomorrow. Take care of yourself, okay? And see you tomorrow. Bye bye.